And the last person, as you can see, ended up canceling. Instead of 15, I made $5. That's not bad at all. We'll take it. Let me show you the details right there. $4.99 for cancellation. At 9:30, it was a reservation. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on UberX. It's not busy, but we're gonna keep heading to the airport. Okay, now there's more people at the airport. I can't control that, but new video going up. So the last video I showed I made $15. No, now we made $5 because of the cancellation, but it's still a good idea to get paid because it was a reservation. If it wasn't a reservation, I think we get paid a little bit more. But we are 18 minutes, 8 miles away from the airport, and we're gonna rinse and repeat, just do the same thing over and over until noonish or until we get $100, and then we're gonna take a break. Let me tell you a funny story. Yesterday I was at Burbank Airport, and some of the guys are locals. They all know each other. Uh-oh, I can't even tell you a story. What do you got, $5? Let me think about this. $5. Just kidding. Just kidding, guys. Let me tell you the story now. I was at Burbank Airport last night, and I've noticed a lot of the guys are locals. They know each other. They talk to each other. And one of them ended up hitting my car. Another one, when I was parked, ended up parking in the front of my car like this, and wouldn't let me get out. And I realized for some reason they don't like me. And they're Muslims, because I can hear them speaking Arabic. But whatever the reason is, I can't control it, right? $8. Huh, I didn't even get a chance to switch over and look, Uber. And I know nobody took that. There's nobody, well, maybe somebody took it. There's trolls out there that'll take that. But my point is this, and we'll go over here. My point is this. Why is it, oh my God, this guy in front of me stopped. What's going on? Oh, okay, lady's crossing the street. My point is this. When people hit my car and also park like that, I used to get angry. Now, I just go. I just move. Because I've realized there's no need to deal with idiots. And there's a lot of idiots out there, right? And it only happens at Burbank. When I'm at LAX, I don't have to worry about it because there's just so many people there. Nobody bothers me. But Burbank, for some reason, they've seen me record videos and they've seen me post stuff online. So I'm assuming some of them are following me. And when I pop in, they just got it. They just got it for me. And my thing is this. I want to help everybody. Even people that are mean, even people that are nasty, even people that are trolls, even when they open the door and hit my car. It's a material thing, man. I'm going to turn this car in, hopefully in the next 6 months, a year, get another one. It's not worth it for me, right? And hopefully they can see how humble I am, and they can see how calm I am, and maybe it will wake them up and they'll stop doing it. If not, then I'll probably stop going to Burbank Airport. But right now, I'm still going to go because, you know, it's the closest airport to me. Okay, listen to Sergio talking in the background about what happened with the surge. Actually, you can't listen to it because I'm talking and then the audio, I think, doesn't come across. But let me try it. I'll try it right now. I'll be quiet and listen to what Sergio's saying about the surge. Because I noticed that what Uber basically ended up doing was for this New Year's Eve, we were driving and there was no surge. It was suppressed until around 1:30 in the morning. 1:30 in the morning. 1:30 in the morning, 1 o'clock, they suppressed the surge. It's never been like that. Like last year when I drove on New Year's Eve, I was easily able to make $600, right? The year before, I think I made a mistake. I was driving in Temecula. I ended up making half that amount. And some of the data is not available for some reason. But yesterday, the few days ago on New Year's Eve, I was like, where's the surge? Where's the surge? Sergio, surge? This is kind of funny. And but listen to what he has to say.
You know, as far as I could see in LA, in my market, it was a good New Year's, Chris. I mean, surge, you can't ask for better than that. Although Uber did, suppress surge all the way to midnight, you know, and then at fucking 1:30, 1:15, you know, floodgates were open on Uber, right? They couldn't hold it anymore because they were going to.
Did you hear that? At 1:15, 1:30, they opened the floodgates, right? So these technology companies, they don't have a heart, they don't have any morals, and they're not going to feel bad about it. Like just the fact that Lyft turned off their algorithm or whatever they did where people weren't getting paid and they weren't able to see it. I had a passenger in my car basically tell me, a millionaire from Australia, yeah, Lyft Lux, which is I think Lyft's black version, he was saying that they were charging him $500 or $450 to go from LAX airport door to door to his Hollywood hotel. And he said, I'm not paying $450. He's like, I switched over to Uber Comfort, and on New Year's Eve, he says, I paid $45 to take a Comfort ride, where we got screwed, right? So both of these companies are working with each other, right? And think of it like this, it's a monopoly. Uber has a monopoly, but Uber will get dismantled if Lyft isn't around. So it's almost like Lyft is here, but the glitch was literally to get Lyft off the platform and to charge people $500 and then show the drivers that there's a problem and we don't know what's happening with the money. It's like a price gouge, and it's basically literally theft, unfortunately. Alrighty, I am about 5 or 7 minutes away. Ooh, package? No, it's going the wrong way. I'm not going the wrong way. I'm right by the airport. No, my friend. Thank you. If it was like $15, I would have taken it. I am going to put gas in my car and probably post this video up for you guys so you can kind of check out what's going on. There's a couple of things I talked about. And this is the third time putting gas in. So twice I put in $10, $20. No, I'm going to put in another $10. And I basically do this every 20 miles. I keep putting gas in. I keep it topped off in case I get a long ride. If you follow my channel, you know I've got some fuel injector issue or fuel pump issue where if I put in more than 2.4 gallons, I got it to 2.4 gallons. If I put in more than 2.4 gallons, then it takes a couple of clicks to start my car. And slowly I keep putting in a little bit more gas to figure it out. Well, you know what I need to test is put in 2.4 gallons, turn the car on, drive for a minute around the block and come back and put in another 2.4 gallons. Then that will be smart. That way I can at least have 5 gallons of gas, which is I think 100 miles I can go. Otherwise I'm literally, actually, you know what, this is kind of cool. I stop and I take a break like every hour at the gas station, walk out, stretch my legs, put a little bit of gas in. Maybe it's not a bad thing. All right, this video is done. We'll load another one.